So this is one more type of ICSE type questions. In this you have to factorize this part. So at first we take it as, we consider it as f of x. Now we have to use the factor theorem to find out what are the factors. So at first we must find out the factors of minus 12. So in exam you must write factors of minus 12. So the factors of minus 12 is minus 1, 1, minus 2, 2, minus 3, 3, minus 4, 4, minus 6, 6, and minus 12 or 12. Now these are the factors. With these factors you have to get the assumptions. Okay, so if minus 1 is the factor, then f of minus 1 you have to find out, and then you have to see whether this we get 0 or not. If it is 0, then f of minus 1 will be the factor. Now like this we have to find out. Okay, let us try with minus 1, minus 1, plus 1, minus 2, and 2 in this way. Okay, so when we find out f of minus 1, we never get 0. When we get with f of 1, we also didn't get 0. But on f of minus 2, we are getting 0. That means what? Here it is f of minus 2. That means what? X plus 2 is a factor of this. Since this is the equation of degree 3, we have 3 factors. One of the factor is this, and other 2 factors we'll try to find it out. It is always better if you divide this with this to get a quadratic equation. So now when we divide this, how do we divide this? Here it is plus, here it is plus, so plus, 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 and here it is, the coefficient is 1, 1 goes in 6 times, so we can write here 6x square. In this way, after multiplying with this, now 6x square is multiplied with this, and we finally get like this. So now in the same manner, when you multiply and divide, you get the remainder 0, as already we know that f of minus 2 was the factor of f of x. Now here, so f of x, that is f of x can be written as x plus 2 into this. This is what? This is the quotient, we already got it. Now this is a quadratic equation. We have 2 factors. This quadratic equation we can split up in this form, and finally we get the factor of the fx, that is x plus 2 into 2x plus 3 into 3x minus 2. If you do in this proper way, you get 4 out of 4 in your exam.